So which rabbit do you want to draw?
Sitting rabbit.
Sitting rabbit. Okay. Do you need my help?
Yes.
Okay. You want to hold the pencil? Let's take pen. Now, give me your hand. Yes. So, you need to hold like this. So, hold it properly. Hold it. That's properly. Good. Okay. So, what do we need to draw first? We need to draw like this first. By instructions, yeah? So, the first step is this. Draw a head. And then, we need to draw 2 big ears.
And eyes.
And eyes, yeah. Later, yeah? 2 big ears. Then, a body. Hops. Hops. Ta-da! And then,
Eyes.
leg. Look, the first step is leg. We need to draw the leg.
Leg and eyes.
Yeah,
And
leg.
nose.
Nose. The nose. Okay, so this is
And
like this.
nose.
And nose, yeah. And then this one. 2 front paws. Yeah? 2 front paws.
So I got these flowers.
You know the word owls, right? Owls. Rot. Man.
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. Mouth. Uh-huh. We have the paws. Look. Now we need the face, whiskers, and a tail. You see? So, face, eyes, yeah? Oh, let's remove this. It's a little bit more beautiful. Okay. So, we need eyes like this. Nose like this. Mouth and nose. And whiskers. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And what else? What are we missing, Asana? What are we missing? What is this?
This
Is a tail. We're missing the tail. Ta-da! We have the tail now. So we have this bunny. You want to paint? What color are you gonna use? What color?
Blue.
Blue color. Oh, okay.